I showed you this drawing from the Panum Institute dealing with form. This is dealing with thoughts actually. So I got rid of form by visiting this institute and sketching all these shapes of the human body inside. This is basically the wall we built, and we just continue to add scrap onto it as over 4 days, I think. Yeah, we postponed it and talked about it a long time. Then we said, no, we have to go down and start making it. And we were like, yeah, okay, let's go. And then we went. And once we got into it, we just continued working non-stop on it for 4 days until it looked like this. And then we started to project things onto it. And that is Marty's piece. Right? And, Diti from India. This is an Argentinian living in London. This is Kika's mother, and then it's funny because that thread 3, started out as being very personal, and everybody just kept on adding their own personal photographs to them. On this page right now is what is color not, and this actually relates a little bit to what we the title of this talk today, because it's all colors that are related, for me, related to the color pink. So I'm writing all these words, which is things I think of when I think of the color pink. But obviously, it isn't pink. No matter, you can't write pink. You can only show pink by showing pink, but you cannot write it in a way. Well, you can write it, but it will never be pink. You can see in the back there's some bright cityscapes going on there.
And then another kind of overarching theme in my work would be that the page is a site and a source of communication is interesting to me, and it was originally an article that I was photocopying for a student of mine, and the article is writing about a painter called Tuba Urbach, and she's a painter who's making paintings about a language. And so as I'm photographing it, the writer, or as I'm photocopying it, the writer's writing about it, and it's also this reproduction of the artist's painting and the artist's work that I'm reproducing a second time or a third or fourth time potentially for my student.
So I find text everywhere. And if you pick up scraps of paper and you'll see things. Sometimes I'll hear it. But I really, as far as text go, I think that I don't really see. I see it all as symbol, and I don't think that painting. I don't believe in realism. I shoot for this thing that Leonardo taught us how to draw and everything, and I teach drawing 1, and we do this entire semester about recognizing the difference between symbol and pure observation. But really, it's all symbol. This is not a pipe kind of thing.